Hi, welcome to my video. In this video, I will teach you how to add or remove an admin in your Blogger websites. First of all, go to the blogger.com and choose your blog which want to give as admin access. Here is come to below, go to the settings, click on settings, and here is option permissions. And here is your blog admins and authors. If you want to remove someone, you can easily delete and save he or she will be removed from your blog. If you want to give access as admin, just here is the third option, invite more authors. Click here, add email of that person which want to add you as admin, like nfpbeauty at gmail.com. When you put your Gmail, just click yes on send. Here you see the setting updated. Next person will be got a notification via mail. Here is a mail. He will be accepted your invitation, accept invitation. When he accepts invitation, he will be an author of your blog. He can read and write posts only. Now you have to change this author to admin. Here is go to your blog and refresh it. After refreshing, go to the setting and again permissions. And here you can see the blog admins and authors. Here's your name and one more. Click here. Here you see there is an option author. You have to change as admin. Click here and go click here as admin and just save. He become an admin of your blogger website. Now I can check here. When I refresh there, it is got everything is as admin. Hope you will understand how to give admin access to someone. Thank you.